Hi, in this video I will show you how to set up call forwarding on your Samsung Galaxy S20, S20 Plus or S20 Ultra. With call forwarding, you can direct incoming calls to a different phone number. So if you want to use it, from the home screen, tap the phone icon. Open the menu. Go to Settings. Tap Supplementary Services. Tap Call Forwarding. Choose when you would like call forwarding to be active. In this example, I will select Always Forward. Enter the number you would like your calls forwarded to, and then tap Enable. That's it. If you want to deactivate call forwarding, swipe down from the top of the screen again. Tap the call forwarding notification. Tap Always Forward. And finally, tap Disable. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to hit the like button. I would really appreciate it.